Hi, I'm Nancy Spear. We are living in a crazy time right now. We are all sheltering in place. And for those older adults who may be living alone and don't know how to use technology, it can be even worse. They're cut off from the outside world and they can be lonely and depressed. So I'm going to teach you and them how to find YouTube videos of the olden days that can cheer us all up. So get ready for the Carol Burnett Show, a lesson in Yiddish, and the Rat Pack. Here we go. To start, please click on Chrome, Safari, Internet Explorer, or whatever browser you have. I'm going to show you on Chrome. Up here is a search bar. There's a magnifying glass and the line is flashing. Type in YouTube.com and hit return on your keyboard. Now, what I grew up watching with my family was Carol Burnett. So let's start with Carol Burnett, and she had a skit with Tim Conway, Elephant Story, that is hilarious. So I typed in Tim Conway Elephant Story and I click on return on my keyboard. So you're going to see all things Carol Burnett with Tim Conway, and I'm going to click on this one, Tim Conway Elephant Story.
It's not elephants, huh?
No.
Just I was at this freak show one time and I saw these Siamese elephants.
Now I'm turning down the volume so you can see these two vertical lines in the bottom left corner. If I want to stop the video, I click on the vertical lines. Since we're here, if you have an advertisement, click on the little X, it will go away. Now, what if you want a bigger screen? In the right bottom, there's a little square, full screen, one click. Expands the screen. Make the screen smaller, bottom right, exit full screen. You want to play the video again, go back to the bottom left on the white triangle. Now you watch more of it, you will see they're all falling over, cracking up. I love this one, but let's say you want something else. Let's move on to Yiddish Part 1. So who doesn't want to learn a little bit of Yiddish? And I know there's a great video called Yiddish Part 1 we're going to start with. So I go back up to the search bar. You can use the little delete button on your keyboard to do one at a time, or hold your mouse down and move it to the left. And I'm going to type in Yiddish Part 1. Return. Here she is. So I'm going to click on Yiddish Part 1.
I just like the Yiddish language.
And I know there's an excellent description of the word mensch, so just as a teaser, listen to this.
Someone who is kind to everyone. A nice, polite person who doesn't take with his hands to eat, but uses whatever silverware or utensils are available as an.
Okay, thank you, Yetta, for the definition of mensch. Now, let's say you want to move on to something else. We're going to go up here, delete this, and I've heard about a great A&E biography of the Rat Pack. Now notice here, before I click up there, the bottom of Yiddish Part 1 shows you how long it is. It's only 4 minutes. We're going to go to the Rat Pack, and it is, you can see, almost 3 hours. So that's a good way to find out how long it is. Click on the Rat Pack.
For November 8, 2002, biography with Harry Smith.
I'm going to pause, click on Expand Screen, click on Play, white triangle, bottom corner.
The Rat Pack. They ruled over their own kingdom, where women were broads, liquor was booze, and cool was whatever they said it was.
And I paused with the 2 vertical lines, bottom left corner. Go back to the right corner, exit full screen, and there's your Rat Pack. So these are just my thoughts of what would be really entertaining. You can put anything you want up in this search bar, anything, and find something to watch. I hope that was helpful. I hope you learned something. I hope you know the meaning of the word mensch. And if you do need help with any other programs on your computer or your smartphone, please give me a call. That's what I do. And here comes my contact information. Stay well.